In this second bevel video, we will be looking at how to gain even greater control over the profile of the bevel curvature. We already know that by adjusting the last op panel's shape value, we can reshape the bevel we have created. But for even greater control, we have the Profile Type field at the bottom of the panel. When we change this from Superellipse to Custom, we get a whole new set of parameters. Before we start examining these options, we'll set the Segments value to 50 to increase the definition of the curve we create. The largest and most obvious of the new elements in the last op panel is the Graph area. This is where we can define the shape of our bevel in detail. All we have to do is drag anywhere on the boundary between the dark and light gray areas to reshape the bevel's profile. Each point we add to the graph not only adjusts its shape, but also causes a redistribution of the new edges created by the bevel. The graph area is assigned 0 to 1 coordinates in the x and y directions. Immediately below the graph, to the right, are the coordinates of the latest point to be moved. To delete that point from the graph profile, click on the X. Above and to the left of the graph area are the magnifying glass icons which allow us to zoom in or out. To the right of these, the double-arrowed line lets us reverse the direction of the profile. The circle icon toggles the ability to drag the profile graph past its adjustable area. From the drop-down button, Reset View returns the view to its default view. This is useful to quickly return from a zoomed-in view. Reset Curve resets the profile to a straight line. At the very top of the new area is a drop-down list labeled Presets. This offers us a set of predefined profiles. Default returns us to the straight line profile we always start with. Support loops, cornice molding, crown molding, and steps. Each give their own unique profile. But notice that support loops and steps also create a Apply Preset button. In those two cases, the profile will change if we adjust other factors such as the number of segments. Finally, we come to the two checkboxes beneath the graph area. Sample Straight Edges adjusts the position of some of the newly created edges, so more are added to any flat faces that appear in the profile. Sample Even Length places the new edges at equal spacing across the whole of the bevel area.